Oof, after a wreck like this, I'd love to be able to turn back the clock. We can't do that, but personal injury lawyers try to do the next best thing, which is to get you back into the state you were in before the wreck. And sometimes that means repairing your car, getting you back your lost wages. It can mean, getting some repair for your body, and when things can't be taken care of permanently, getting you money to compensate you for things like pain and suffering or disability or long-term effects. Attorney Ted Sink at TedLaw firm, and my firm has helped hundreds of clients. We've recovered millions of dollars. We'd love to help you if you ever need anything. Don't let the clock go forward and time run out on your claim. Rewind the clock. Get your life back on track and get some help from people who've been there hundreds of times. We've seen what it takes to get your car back on the road, get your rental car coverage, get your gap insurance, UIM, umbrella, all the different coverages you're going to need and how to make them all work together, whether you have health insurance or you don't. If you've had a big wreck, give us a call. I'm attorney Ted Sink at TedLaw firm. Give us a call at 888-333-5555. That's 888-333-5555, or just shoot me a message. We're happy to help. Thanks so much and stay safe out there. There's no rewind button on life.